The message blocking is active error on T-Mobile means the network is preventing your messages from sending. This can happen with SMS, short codes, or premium messages. It's often due to spam filters, account restrictions like unpaid bills or parental controls, or temporary network issues. T-Mobile uses AI-driven message moderation that automatically blocks suspected spam, so legitimate messages can sometimes get caught. If you encounter this, it's not necessarily a widespread outage, and there are steps you can take to resolve it. T-Mobile is pushing RCS as a default over SMS to reduce blocking issues. RCS offers end-to-end encryption and fewer spam filters. RCS adoption has grown 40% among T-Mobile users. T-Mobile plans to deploy machine learning models by 2026 to dynamically adjust blocks based on user behavior, potentially halving resolution times for blocked messages. Start by checking the T-Mobile app for self-service diagnostics, which have been updated to resolve message blocking issues. For SMS blocks, ensure your phone's APN settings are correctly configured to fast.tmobile.com. Short codes are often blocked to prevent spam. Opt in through T-Mobile's website or app to unblock specific ones. Premium messages may be blocked if billing is disabled or limits exceeded. Enable premium messaging in your account settings. Try basic troubleshooting. Restart your device, update software, contact support via 611 or online chat, and reset network settings. You can also try toggling airplane mode or using third-party apps like Google Messages with RCS enabled. If using short codes for business, consider T-Mobile's verified SMS API to bypass standard blocks. During the 2024 elections, users resolved blocks by texting STOP to opt out and re-opt in via the app. For parental control blocks, disable family allowance controls in the T-Mobile app to restore access.